Welcome to the Spend Wise Moms channel. Today we are making energy bites. These are super easy to make and you can change up the recipe to suit your tastes. This is a great recipe to make with kids as well. The first thing to do is to gather up your ingredients. You're going to need oats, peanut butter, honey, ground flaxseed, vanilla, and salt, and then whatever else you want to mix in your energy bites. In a medium-sized bowl, put in 1 cup of oats. You can use any combination of quick oats, rolled oats, or oat flour. Don't use steel cut oats though, they're different. I used half a cup of quick oats and half a cup of oat flour for this video. Add a half a cup of peanut butter to that. You can also substitute other nut butters like almond butter, for example. Add a third of a cup of honey, or pure maple syrup would work as well. Add a third of a cup of ground flaxseed. You can use a little bit more or a little bit less if you want, but don't go crazy. Add a half a teaspoon of vanilla for flavoring and about 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Then you get to add whatever mix-ins you want to it. Mini chocolate chips are great. You can also add in nuts or seeds or coconut or dried fruit. It's your choice. Add about a half a cup to 1 cup of mix-ins total. Mix everything up well and then roll the dough into balls. Place the balls on a cookie sheet that's covered with parchment paper or grease your cookie sheet so they don't stick. Put them in the freezer for about 30 minutes to an hour until they are firm, if you can stand waiting that long. Then take them out and eat one as soon as they are soft enough to sink your teeth into. You can store your energy bites in the refrigerator for about a week or the freezer for a couple of weeks. I personally like to keep them in the freezer so I don't eat them up too quickly. Thanks for watching the Spend Wise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos just like this.